You don't need to hire a web designer or spend hours on a website. In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean and effective website using Card, whether you're just starting or ready to build a full one-page website. And make sure you stay to the end for a bonus tip. First things first, make sure to have all your resources ready to copy and paste so you don't start from scratch. This includes your links to your social media profiles, website copy, your profile picture, background images, or stock photos from websites like pixels.com or unsplash.com, your brand colors, and a link to your calendar to book a session. Your next step is to set up an account on Card if you haven't already. Click Choose a Starting Point and start picking a template. If you're just starting and need a quick link in bio page, then you have a few options. Click Profile and choose from one of these templates. You can click Demo to see a preview, or if you found one that you like, click Select. If you're new to Card, follow these instructions to set up your profile. You click here to add your elements, to undo or redo your next action, preview any animations, view on mobile, publish your site, or click here to go back to your dashboard or create a new site. So once you have all your resources ready, you can click on any element to get started. To add your profile picture or logo, click on an image, and then click Upload to add your branded logo or profile picture. Next, you can add your name here, and then a one-liner. For example, I'm an ESL tutor who makes language learning approachable and relatable. To edit your text, click the paintbrush here, change the color, the font style, the size, line spacing, or letter spacing. To add your social media profiles, click on each button to change the icon and add your link. And then you repeat the same steps for the rest. You can also add another button or remove by clicking this here. If you want to change your background, click here and scroll down to change the color. If you're not sure on what to write for your one-liner, use the 5 W's. What do you do? Who's your audience and who you work with? How you do it? Where you're located? And how to get in touch. Another thing you can do is add a background image. So tap anywhere out here. Under Style, select Image. You can upload your stock image or pick from the library. And then click Done. After you're all done making changes, you're ready to publish your website. So click Save. Add your site title. And a short description like TEFL Tutor based in Atlanta, Georgia. To publish your website for free, you click Publish to a card.co URL, or if you have a domain name, you click Publish to Custom Domain and follow the instructions to add your custom domain. You click in here to add the name of the site, and then click Publish. Once it's done, you can click here to view your site. The good thing about Card is that you can have this up and running while you work on your one-page website. You could use this as a link in bio page or a coming soon page. Now on to the one-page website. If you're pivoting or have more experience in tutoring, you have a few options. You can click the profile, and depending on how much text you need, you could select one of these, or this one, for example. Or you can click Landing or Portfolio. If you want to select a premium template, you can upgrade to the paid plan. For a free version, you can select anyone that doesn't have the premium in the corner. So you follow the same steps like in the last section. You tap any element to make some changes. For example, change the text and their appearance, add an image, and repeat the steps until you make it to the end of the page. Here's a few things you can add to your website: your title, tagline, a short bio, your experience, how you got started, who you help and why, your skills and experience. You can also add your degree, any cert you have, languages you speak, and tools you're familiar with. Remember to add your teaching style, any testimonials, and then a call to action, such as an email form or a link to book a session. If you're on any language learning platforms, you can add a link to your Preply or care.com profile. To add an email form, you click the plus button up here, form. Make sure the type says contact, add your email address, and this is where you receive the messages. Leave a note after they send the message, such as, "I'll reach out to you in 2 to 3 business days." You can edit the fields. Check these boxes to add a number or a subject. Change the button to send or leave it as is. And then change the appearance. After you're all done, make sure to test the form from a private browser. And once you're done making your changes to your one-page website, you click Publish, add the site title, brief description, and then choose the free URL or your custom domain. And for the free, type your name of the site here, and then click Publish. So as a bonus tip, add your intro video to your website. You could add it to the website itself or provide a link to your video on YouTube. If you're already on a language learning platform, you can use the same script, just edit out the company name. If you're not sure what to add, here's a list of things you can do. First, greet and introduce yourself, share what you do and who you help, how many years of experience you have, who you've helped in the past, what you specialize in, what you're learning now, and end it with a call to action. This is an example script I use for Preply. Hi, my name is Marjy, and I'm a TEFL-trained tutor who helps adult learners speak confidently at work. Over the past 10 years, I've taught students of all ages, from 3rd graders to adults over 55, how to code, set up websites, and create content online. My main focus is business English, but I also bring skills from project management, business data, and analytics. I'm fluent in these languages. Right now, I'm also learning this language, so I know what it's like to be a student too. And then you close out with, if you're ready to grow your language and tech skills, book with me to get started. Looking forward to connecting with you. So once you're done with your website and your video intro, you're all set to share it with your audience. Just make sure to keep it simple now, and then you can build as you go. One page is enough to show what you do, and then later on you'll come across other tutors' websites, and you can use that for inspo to perfect it later. All you need is a way to connect and a way to book with you. Let me know what you're adding to your new site to stand out.